My microphone is on then. I'm owning my microphone.
Okay. Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning,
morning. So, children, as you know, that on the last page of your textbook, page number 56 around, let me take the book. Open that page number, everyone. 59. Page number 59.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to present the screen and first I want to explain you this page.
Hello, ma'am.
I know this.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, when I was seeing the dice, I see that if we add 5 and 2, it is 7, 6 and 1, it is 7, and 4 and 3, it is 7.
Yes. That day I have given you just a brief description about this. Today I will tell you about how to check the net also of a cube. Hmm. Ghibli and the big box. Do you remember Ghibli, the ant in the math magic book? Children, they are saying that you have learned about the Ghibli and the box in the your last class also in grade 3. If you remember it, then well done to you all. So Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. She saw a big box. It was kept like this. So she saw that. And then Ghibli move across and turn left. Now she could see the other face of the book because when you turn, you can see the other faces and the numbers written on the cube. It is exactly like that. So Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed on the cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. Now she is looking from the top view and she can see the another thing. So can you guess what the boxes thing, what box type of thing is this, students? It's a
Dice.
dice
Dice.
because the
Yes,
number is
ma'am.
also written on this. So there is a rule of 7 in the dice that the sum of opposite sides will always be 7. The number on the opposite side of the dice always add up to 7. Add up to 7 means दोनों का जो total होगा opposite sides का always 7 आएगा. If you see the top number 1 is written. So can you guess the bottom number?
6.
6. And if you see that 5 is written on the side, can you guess the another side? What is the
2 and
number?
2.
2.
2.
Yes. So always the sum. Sum means the total of opposite side will always be 7 in the dice. This is the rule of 7 in the dice. Now, you have to do this page number. The number on the opposite face of the dice box add up to 7. This is the rule. Now, which number was on the opposite side of 5? So, what you will write? 5 plus 2 is 7. You will give the answers in this way. 5 plus 2 is 7. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? So, top पे 1 था तो bottom में will be 6. Wait. One plus 6 will be 7. Now come to the next question. Which number will Ghibli see if she turn again left? Turns left from 5. 5 से अगर left लेगी तो कौन सा number उसको दिखेगा?
4. 2.
3.
2.
3 plus 4 will be 7. Now this way she will make. Because 4 तो already दिख रहा है. Left में जाना है उसको. Yeah. She will see 4 plus 3 will be 7. Let me give you the answers.
It is A.
Ma'am, it will be 2.
Wait a minute.
Yes, it will.
If she is here and she is going to the left, so she will able to see 4, right? You all are saying. Let's see. So it will be 4 plus 3 will be 7 because she will able to see the 4 and then opposite of 4 will be 3. So 7. Now how we will check which net of a cube is correct. Please pay attention here. I have also prepared a net. Let me take that net. Okay, not finding right now. See, children, there is a net of a cube. This is a net first A, B, C, D. There are different nets of a cube are given. We need to check which net is correct. Now, how you will check which net is correct? You know that the opposite sum of opposite sides in the cube should be 7. But here, how you will find which is the opposite side of which number? So I give you a hint that here the alternate numbers are the opposite of each other. For example, here is the 3. Then the alternate number is, you will leave the one box and the next number is the alternate of the 3, and which is the opposite of the 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 5 का alternate will be 2. Alternate means एक को छोड़ना है next number. Sorry. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 6 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7. Am I audible to you all till here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can say when we have checked the alternate numbers and it is coming 7, so A net is right. So put a right tick on the A net. Now Manya will check us. Manya, tell us the B net is correct or not with the given the way I have explained you. You know, bacha, how to check the net?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please check and explain us.
1 minute.
Let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, it's wrong.
Yeah, how you have checked? Can you explain us?
Yes, ma'am. In the first one, I did that 5 plus 6. So it will be not 7, it will be direct 11 only.
Yes, and then 4 plus 3 is 7 is coming. But
Yes,
if
ma'am.
all the groups are not 7, then we will say that the net is not correct. All the groups, there are 6 faces, so 3 groups, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students? 6 faces,
ma'am.
3 groups, because opposite sides when we take, so it's a one group we will take. So even if the one group is wrong, or even if the one is right and the 2 are wrong, then we say the complete entire net is wrong. है ना, एक भी अगर सही है आप, you cannot say that ma'am one group is right so net is right. No, net is wrong, because 4 plus 3 is 7, but 2 plus 1 is not 7, 5 plus 6 is not 7, so we can say the entire net is wrong. Next will be checked by Aradhya. Aradhya, please check the next C net. It is very easy, students. I think you don't need to take much time. Aradhya, fast. Tej Kumar, do the D net whether it is correct or not. Everyone, please do in your textbook check whether it is for everyone. Not I am calling their names and they will only do.
5 plus 2 is 7, but 4 and 3 is on top and 4 is on.
5 plus 4 is 7.
No, ma'am, 5 plus 2 is 7. It is wrong.
Where is 5? You are doing the D one. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. But?
Ma'am, but other number are wrong.
Okay, good. The D net is also wrong. Okay, students, this way you can check the net of a cube, whether the cube net is correct or not, by seeing the alternate number total should come 7. Okay. So I think now you all are prepared for your CT. Yeah. So first we have done about the different views of the object. Then we have done the directions. Then we have done about the dice. Only 3 simple topics are there in this chapter. And your CT is also based on these 3 topics only. And it is very easy. Try to understand it and then do it simply by your own. I'm going to post the link. In your CET folder. Once you finish your CET, please do mark as done also.
Ma'am, you are posting in classroom.
Where I post everywhere, my dear. Every time where I post in the classroom only. No?
Ma'am, did you post it?
I posted. Refresh your classroom, please. Refresh your classroom. And Nishwa, you better, I suggest you to go and sleep, or either you sit properly in my class.
Ma'am, I got it.
I request everyone to please turn on the camera until and unless they don't have any type of a issue. Jigar Singh, Anay, Suchi, Dania, Kevyan, Dhyan Patel, Divit, Rajvi, Lahote, Viva, Vedant, Granth, Dania, please turn on your camera. Why, my dear students, that you need the reminders for turning on the camera?
Ma'am, you are...
Ma'am, when I go to CT, my camera automatic turns off. It is getting off.
Okay, those students, those who have this kind of problem, then I will allow them. Otherwise, please, I request you to turn on and sit. And please write, when you are writing your name, write the section also along with your name.
Ma'am, you are sending in classroom.
Yes, already sent. Refresh your classroom.
Hello, ma'am. I have a problem in G1 in the pictures because
No, all pictures are correct. G also correct. It's about the Almira.
yes, ma'am, but I cannot identify the side.
Only 2 pictures are given, no? You can use the logic also. Only 2 pictures are given. One is already clearly visible to you. It's which view is that?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can identify it, my dear bacha.
Ma'am, can you send in the chat box?
No, it is there in the classroom. Go through classroom.
I haven't received it yet.
Refresh. There is a circle kind of given in. Yes, Tej Kumar.
I have doubt in G1.
I will not explain. Sorry, all are easy. All pictures are easy.
Ma'am, I have doubt in that only because the
Even.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, there are 2 options only. I thought the upper one is also one of the options.
C, D, E. E1 is very easy. You cannot see which view is this, bacha. It's a front side or the top view. Tej Kumar, it's a view of a pencil.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
What you understood? You need to read the question properly.
Ma'am, I cannot now also means it is saying which of the following is side view of Almira.
Which question you want to ask?
Ma'am, G1 only.
G. Which of the following is side view of Almira? The first option or the second option? It is very easy, bacha. It is very easy. Almira image is given. And which of the image is side view? The first option or the second option is the side view? Don't write the marks in the chat box, please. I will receive the response sheet. And once you completed this, turn on your camera. I want to see your faces. And take out a revision notebook, start writing tables, because next chapter is completely based on multiplication. If you will not learn the tables, you will not able to do that chapter. Rajiv Nakre, take out your maths revision notebook, long revision notebook, and start writing tables from 12 to 15. I will write in the chat box what you have to do next. So I think then I have no need to repeat again and again. Tables in
Ma'am,
revision notebook. 12 to 15. Start writing. Those who have
Ma'am,
completed the test. Yes.
I have done it. It is one only wrong, but it is showing 18.
Yeah, 2 marks each it is. Nishwa, I don't understand how it is possible to you when you're moving and you attend the class. Every time your camera moves so frequently, I don't know how you get the concentration in the class. फिर अभी भी मूव कर रहा है. आप कैमरा मोबाइल से क्लासेस लेते हो? So you please make it stable. एक जगह रख कर क्लास अटेंड करो. पूरा घर नहीं देखना है मुझे.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a doubt in J1 that it
I
is
will not explain. There is no need of a doubt. It is very simple question.
ma'am, I have a doubt because the car is like this, so we have to.
Yeah, the whichever जो भी टर्न है कार का जो भी डायरेक्शन है. Wait a minute, let me drink water.
Ma'am, I have done till 15 tables.
Whichever the direction is of the car, वहां से कार का right turn कहाँ होगा? You think from there.
Ma'am, I have done 12 to 15 tables.
Ma'am, I also.
Not, I'm not talking about previously. I'm talking about right today. You have to do. I'm not talking about that what you have done in the last classes. I am not talking about you need to complete today. Write today in your revision notebook from 12 to 15, Tej Kumar.
Okay.
My seat is done, so I can also write.
Everyone. And turn on the cameras if your seat is done. Suchi, I will also come and learn dance from you. Suchi, it's your maths class, bacha. Not a dance class. Take out your revision notebook and write the tables in your notebook. Don't write marks in the chat box. Otherwise, I will deduct these marks also if you write in the chat box. Please don't write marks. I can able to see I have a response sheet with me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write 11 to 12, 11 to 15 table.
It's written in the chat box, bacha. And tomorrow you have class. From tomorrow, I'm going to start the new chapter based on Jung Sailor. Learn.
Yes, ma'am. I will read today.
Yeah, I will ask who is the junk sailor, what the junk sailor does do, and what are the activities of the junk sailor. So please come prepared, read the chapter, and then come in the class so that you can answer me quickly and you can clear your doubts also. So please, I request you all, whenever I start the new chapter, please read and come in the class. Don't sit simply blank in the class without giving answers. See, children, as I was searching for the net, no, this type of net I have prepared for a cube. This is the first net which was given in your textbook
Ma'am,
also.
A1. Ma'am, it is A1 net.
Yeah, a net. 3 plus 4 we will check is 7, and 1 plus 6 is 7, and 5 plus 2 is 7. Then the net is correct. Right? When you fold, how it is, it's a net of a cube. When you fold it in this way and make a cube, children, it's your home task today. It's your activity today to make a cube of a paper and write the numbers also in it. Properly numbers, according to the rule of 7, you have to write the numbers on the cube net. So it's your home task today to make a cube and
With
write
the
the
paper.
numbers with the paper. Yes, I will send you a video how to make with a paper. Right now this is just a net of a cube. It's not a proper cube. So you can
So
check
we
here,
have
2
to
is
write
there visible.
5 of the
Yes or
paper.
no? 2 is there visible. So what should be the opposite of 2 number should be? It should be 5. So you can check here when I'm folding it. You can check here, it's 5 coming. Yes?
Yup.
So today I will send you one video how to make it a cube with the paper. So you will make a cube with the paper. The dice with the paper.
Ma'am, I know how to make it.
So today is your this activity. I will put in the activity folder. You have to attach the video or the picture of your dice. Let me check how many of you have completed. Kashvi score less. Aradhya, I don't know why 2 marks is also deducted. Viva Jan Patel, why 4 marks deducted? Means it is not clear.
Dice.
Yes? I hope you all are writing tables and learning tables thoroughly.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
coming
I
class,
am on food.
we will give more importance to tables only because the next chapter is completely based on multiplication. It's related with money and the multiplication only. All the operation also will apply there in the junk sailor. Junk sailor will do all the activities, right? Addition, subtraction, all the operation he will apply. So please focus on multiplication more. And see the activities what the junk sailor do. I will ask in the next class, tomorrow in my class. You need to explain me practically. If you have some junk also at home, bring it and explain me.
Ma'am, junk means junk.
You need to tell me what is.
I don't know.
Why the
I
name
can
of the
tell.
chapter is junk sailor?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, Manya.
I can tell right now what is meaning of junk.
We will discuss more in the next class.
Okay.
Dania, Jan Patel, Kevian, Divit, Vedant, if you have done your CT, I request you to turn on your camera, please, and remove the background, Dania. Bhavya Sagar, what happening with your device? You coming and going, coming and going?
Ma'am, because my network issue, that's why.
Ma'am, done.
Done tables?
Yeah.
Okay. Till which number you have done, Aradhya?
12 to 15.
Oh, 12 to 15. Tell me table of 14.
Of 14.
14.
14.
1 4.
Oh, yeah, yeah. 14 and the 14. 14 to the 28. 14 is the 42. 14 was also 14 5 is 70. 75. 14 6 the
14 5 is 75.
yes.
No, 14 5 is 70. And Blick, please come closer to your device. Your voice is not coming properly.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say table?
Yes, let Aradhya speak first and then I will ask.
Till 15.
Hmm.
14 6 are 84. 14 7 are 98.
14
14
7 is 98.
yes. 14 8 are 112. 14 9 are 126. 14 10 are 140.
Hmm. Next two is completed. Please raise your virtual hand. Yes, Rajvi Nakre. Tell me table of 13.
13 1 are 13, 13 2 are 26, 13 3 are 39, 13 4 are 52, 13 5
Wait,
are
wait,
56.
I'll stop you. Sorry to interrupt you. Rajveer, I want to tell you that where you sit, because you completely coming dark. Every time I have noticed. You are not visible to me properly. Sit in the light place next time, okay? Where the complete light comes on you. Okay? Got it, Rajveer? आप बिल्कुल अंधेरे में बैठते हैं जो आप मुझे बिल्कुल अंधेरे में दिखते हैं. So sit at the lighted place. Okay, start 13 की table.
13 1 are 13, 13 2 are 26, 13 3 are 39, 13 4 are 52, 13 5 are 61, 13 6 are 78.
Voice is going very slow, slow, slow.
13 1 are 13, 13 2 are 26, 13 3 are 39, 13 4 are 52, 13 5 are 65, 13 6 are 78, 13 7 are 91, 13 8 are 104, 13 9 are 117, 13 10 are 130.
Next, raise your virtual hand. Last one child is yes, Bhavya Sagar. Tell me table of 14.
14 1 are 14, 14 2 are 28, 14 3 are 42, 14 4 are 56, 14 5 are 70, 14 6 are 84, 14 7 are 98, 14 8 are 104, 14 9 are
14 8s are 112.
14 8 are 112, 14 9 are 126, 14 10 are 114.
Okay. So I will ask the tables from the students in the next coming classes. Thank you, students, for today's class. Come, read your chapter and come tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.